My name is Dr. Brainard, and today we will be going over what happens to a person when certain parts of his brain are damaged. And while I'm not quite sure whether our test subject today actually has much of a brain to work with, I'm sure we can still adequately simulate what would happen if his brain were damaged in any way. Now, if you will look at the object in your hand and tell me what that is exactly.
Well, it's, well, it's a thing. It's a thing that, did you make this thing up? This isn't a thing.
Hello, how are you today?
Could you say that again?
Hello, how are you today?
One more time.
Hello, how are you today?
I swear you're not speaking English. Start again.
Hello, how are you today?
Break it down.
Hello.
We'll come back to that.
How are you today?
No. Hi, I'm Indy. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Hi, I'm Indy. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fantastic. I'm Indy. How are you?
I'm beginning to think we're speaking in circles here.
What? That's ridiculous. I'm Indy. How are you?
Now, could you tell me, how do you feel right now? Excuse me, do you think that you would be comfortable, as of right now, with stapling your fingers together?
Yeah, I can do that. Ah!
Yes, could you do me a favor and just pick this up? Excuse me, yes. Do you happen to have to pee right now?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to ask you again. Do you have to pee right now? Stupid person say what?
What?
Ugly person say what?
What?
Hello, I'm selling some chocolates.
What are they selling?
Excuse me. Yes. Now, could you do me a favor and read the words on the page in front of you?
Jai? What's college?
Excuse me. Could you tell me in your own words, how are you feeling today?
Well, I'm feeling okay. I got up, I took a taxi to work. The guy charged me a little too much. He charged me way too much. That's not fair. He's a nice, good-looking guy. We had some good times. It was awesome. We were like, yeah! And he was like, yeah! We were having a great time. Still, yeah, and then, actually, he didn't take me to the right place. He didn't take me to the right place! Ah!
Hello, how are you today?
I'm actually doing really well. I'm just sort of an average day. I think did we talk about this earlier? I don't know. It's really just sort of a day that's kind of flimsy. I've been being here all day. Weird things happen in my head. I don't really understand what's going on. But, I think that's just sort of the way things are today. I don't really know what else to say about them.
Hello, could you just close your eyes for a moment and tell me if you feel anything?
Hey!
Marco! Hello, how are you today? Are you feeling comfortable?
Yeah, I'm feeling. Ooh, look, a bit of a tingling in my face. It's kind of ooh. It's really. It's. Oh, oh my. Oh dear. Oh my God! My face! My face is on fire! My face is on fire!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Think fast! Marco!
Oh,
Hello, could you tell me how you are feeling today?
Okay?
How are you feeling?
No.
Hello, could you just do a little bit of exercise and then tell me how you feel?
No.
Excuse me, could you tell me the color of your shirt?
this is because it's correct. It says that. This.
Hello!
Hello!